Hi, good morning, my dear students. In our today's lesson, we are going to discuss some of the important tools for formal writing. These we are discussing opinion and suggestion writing. That is a type of formal writing and like essay writing. Here are some of the important points you must consider in this type of writing. We will discuss all these points in detail in our today's lesson, like time fixer phrases, phrases for introducing points, phrases for joining points, phrases for adding support, so on. First of all, we have the time fixer phrases. For writing formally, it's often a good style to begin introduction with a time fixer, such as one form of the selection below. There are others also, there are many other examples, but I just wrote few. Like you can start nowadays, these days, until now, every day, every year, for many years, like this. We have some other examples on the screen you can read. These are the examples of time fixer phrases. We use them in our introduction of our essay or paragraph. Another important point for formal writing is introduction points. For example, when you are asked to write an essay on any topic, you have to write 3 or 4 points for that. Instead of saying all the time firstly, secondly, thirdly, like this, we use different types of words. For example, to introduce the first point, we can use one out of these. For your first point, you can say in the first place, or the main point, the most important reason is that. And for your second point, in the essay or paragraph, you can say secondly, another point, another reason. To introduce your third point, you can say in addition to that, or you can say thirdly. For your last point, you say finally, lastly, the last point, the final reason. You have to choose one out of each group. And for your conclusion, you can say to sum up or in conclusion. Next, we have joining points. In formal writing, there are certain ways to join points together or add more points of the same kind. When joining similar points, use the following additional words. For example, furthermore, moreover, besides. For example, regular exercise is beneficial for health. Moreover, it may result in weight reduction. Here we have two positive points. We have joined two positive ideas. We can use two positive ideas by using furthermore, moreover, or besides. Next, to show a contrast. We use the joining points like however, nevertheless, on the other hand, although. If you look at the example, tourism represents a significant contribution to the national economy. However, it's argued that large number of tourists can damage the environment. Here there is a contrast. In the first sentence they are saying it's good. Tourism is good for the national economy. But in the second sentence they are saying that it can be a big damage for the environment. So here there are two opposite ideas, so we join them using however or nevertheless, on the other hand, although. Then we have some phrases for generalization. Generalization means when you introduce the opinion of other people in your essay, like the vast majority of the tourists drop litter, many tourists drop litter. You can choose one according to your need. Generalization mean here when you want to add the opinion or the number of other people in your essay. 10. Here we have the some phrases that at the end how you can express your own opinion in the essay. For example, you can say in my opinion, or you can say in my view, or personally it seemed to me that, as far as I am concerned. In here you have some groups of the phrases you can choose or learn some of these by heart to use whenever you need. Whenever you have to express your opinion, you can choose one out of